This is the HandySnap by Sailrite. It comes with a case, and it also has a lanyard on it, and it comes with the 4 dies to install snaps, including one-way snaps or pull the dot. This die is for the button, this die is for the socket, this is for the eyelet, and this is the stud. So we're going to start with the button and the socket. We're going to take the button die, and it has a shaft with a rubber O-ring, and it just slips into the hole of the HandySnap and press it down until it snaps in place. Then we're going to take the socket, and I'm going to depress the lever slightly, and that lowers the shaft, and it has a rubber O-ring on the shaft, and then this snaps on. Listen. Now it's on. We're going to take the button. It'll do both nickel-plated brass buttons and stainless steel buttons, and we're going to push it in here, and the rubber housing around here holds the snap in place so it doesn't fall out. Then we're going to take the socket, and we're going to snap it on to the socket die, and it too does not fall off easily.
If you're working in an environment where the HandySnap may possibly fall in the ocean or a lake, use the handy lanyard.
I'm going to mark where I want the snap with this chalk. And the nice thing about this tool is that you can position it exactly where you want it. This is 3 layers of a Sattler marine grade fabric. And all I have to do is just put the barrel over top of that mark and depress the lever of the tool. Now this is the adjustment for how much pressure. What you want is you want a Vise-Grip feel. So I'm going to depress the lever, and that feels actually pretty good right there. So see how it just got the sweet compression? If I wanted more pressure, I just tighten this down depending on the thickness of the fabric, or if I wanted less, I loosen it up. So let's take a look at our snap to see what it looks like. So you can see that the barrel is rolled over beautifully and it does not twist. If it did twist, I'd apply more pressure to the tool and press it one more time. Once it's set for all the snaps if the layers don't change.
Probably one of the best features of the HandySnap tool by Sailrite is that you no longer have to pre-punch holes in your fabric assembly. Simply depress the lever and it punches the hole and sets the snap, all with one squeeze of the lever.
The pull the dot snap has a special locking pip inside of the socket. And it does take a special stud, and it usually has an octagonal base. That's how you can tell the pull the dot stud, whether it be a cloth to cloth or cloth to surface fastener. So let's load this one up next, because the HandySnap will do this without a special die, whereas the press and snap takes a special die. So the pull the dot button usually says pull the dot on it, or sometimes people call it the one-way snap. I'm going to put it down in the regular button die, and then this die over here has a flat side to it, and I usually position the flat side so that it's directly in front of the tool like this. This is the side that locks down, so the side that will unsnap is the opposite side. Okay, so if you look at the socket, there's a pip on this side, and the lock will be on the other side. So the lock, this side right here, goes on like this. Snaps on. So once my socket is in the tool, I position this so it's perpendicular to the edge, and I depress the trigger, and my one-way snap is installed with the lock on that side. So here I have a one-way stud installed in a piece of wood, and it goes on like this, and then it won't pull off on the side, either side, won't pull off on the back. It only pulls off on the front of the snap. Now I'm going to remove the button die, and you just roll it and pull it off, and the socket die. So I depress the trigger or the lever, and then I pull it off, and it'll snap off like that. We're going to put the stud die on, snaps in place, and then I'm going to release the lever and put the eyelet portion on. We're going to put the stud in this one, and it snaps in place, and then the eyelet in the lower one, and the rubber O-ring will hold it in place. So now we can simply install this in our fabric assembly, just like the other one. Oh, too much pressure because I'm not getting that sweet spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to back this off A little bit more. There we go. That's perfect. And now that will not snap to that one because that's a pull the dot, but it'll snap to these. Nice. Installing the pull the dot stud and eyelet is done exactly the same way that we installed the standard one.
The Handy Press will set many other fasteners and grommets with additional dies that are sold separately. For more information, search the Sailrite website with the SKU numbers listed here. Order the Sailrite HandySnap Tool from Sailrite today. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sailrite, thanks for watching.